Also this noon, snow from last week's winter storm is almost gone, and as a result, the Ohio River is on the rise, leaving some areas underwater. WLKY's Marissa Alter is live from the Waterfront Park with a look at the flooding. Marissa?
Jennifer, we're really only talking about flooding in those areas immediately beside the river, like here on the Great Lawn. Take a look at how far up the water has come. You can see a garbage can now that is halfway underwater. And what's missing from this picture are those park benches that usually sit at the water's edge. Right now you can't even see them because they are underwater. Now the National Weather Service expects the Ohio River to crest in Louisville, the upper lock, at 26.2 feet tomorrow morning. That's about 3 feet above flood stage. The lower lock in New Albany is projected to crest at 57.6 feet. That's 2.5 above flood stage. The video you're seeing is along River Road downtown, which is partially closed due to high water. That area, though, is outside of MSD's flood protection system. MSD says it does not expect road closures within that. The agency's emergency response director calls this a routine event. He says, though, staff is on 12-hour shifts doing preventative maintenance and working the district's flood pump stations.
We've put 10 of our 16 flood pump stations in service already. We expect to put 2 more in overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And with rain in the forecast, we could potentially put a few more in, but we're planning right now for 12. We're watching river projections very closely. We're watching the forecast very closely.
Now, the last time that we saw the Ohio River this high was back in 2011, which you may remember was the wettest year on record. Now, MSD officials do remind people not to drive through any standing water that they come across. They say customers who have problems can call 587-0603. That call center is staffed 24 hours a day. Reporting live from the Great Lawn, I'm Marissa Alter, WLKY News.